back to insurance. Besides being able to get a policy, it looks like the rates are going to be going up. I remember back in November seeing this article that I just pulled up again from the Miami Herald, that FEMA, I guess, has a role in mapping out what the flood risks are in different regions, and that was supposed to be released back in April of this year, but that it was delayed. And even without the new mapping that FEMA is supposed to do, they expect nationally flood insurance rates to go up by 11%. And so potentially, you were talking about this, the slow impact of this, that it's a slow motion crisis, but is that something that we're going to see kind of a binary switch where this new flood map comes out and it maybe even if you can get a policy, it becomes cost prohibitive because the reality of flooding is becoming, do you see that as being something more near term, or is that still, are we still looking to see flood insurance rates be reasonable or doable, I guess, even feasible? That seems like another dimension to me, I guess.
Yeah, I think that is in the near future. And it's because insurance companies have to, if they're in the business of making money, or they wouldn't be in business. And if they are writing policies for high risk people and charging a relatively low price, that is not a business model that's going to work. If people want to live in high risk areas, they have to be able to pay to live in high risk areas. And that involves either not having insurance because you don't need to, if you don't have a loan, or if you want or need insurance, it's going to cost you. If you're in a high risk area, you pay a high cost or a high price for it. It's just the way the insurance market has to work.
What does that mean for the commercial, besides homeowners who can afford to live there as a, as a luxury, as far as the real estate investment market goes? That, that's a big part of Miami's tax base is real estate investment, commercial real estate investment. This has some implications for that as well, where it's not just about personal luxury, but the economic viability of development in these areas.
Yeah, I agree. I don't know. I don't know what to add to that. That is definitely something that that we're gonna have to, people are gonna have to work with.